We're heading to the Tucson Gem and Rack Show. It is supposed to be the largest gem and rack show in the world. We're heading out on a Monday, so it'll be a little less crowded. There are a lot of different spots that host the gem and rack show, but we're going to the one that's supposed to be the place to go if you're going to go to any of them at the Kino Sports Complex. And I have a secret mission. 2 years ago, there were these really cute turtles. They were black and had like different colors, like turquoise looking blue. If they are there again this year, I didn't get them 2 years ago. I didn't go for it. I'm gonna get one this year. Most likely. We'll check the price. Earl?
I don't know. If I find like some trilobites or something, I might buy a couple trilobites again. But we'll see. Try not to be too crazy with how much I spend, although some of those fossils look really, really cool.
Let's check it out.
All right, we made it, and parking is free at this one at the Kino Sports Complex, and admission is free. So
Got pretty close.
yeah, we're parked really close to the entrance, and it'll be easy peasy. Food court.
I'd like to have something like that.
Taco nuts. There you go. Where's the cheat?
Oh my gosh.
Those amplified logos. Let's not walk in that. You break, you buy.
Mussels?
Oh, found his trilobites.
Animales.
Been some mushrooms and dongs.
RVer?
And the dongs. TK loves crazy pants. She can't help herself. Combs. Yeah, that's cool. Check out the size of these geodes, like angel wings and stuff. Check out this guy. It's pretty crazy. Look at how huge those are. Trilobites. I love trilobites. Look at them. Amazing. Gators and lizards. I like these alien guys. I want to get one of these for the RV. Take it to keep it under storage. Found Darth Vader. All right, that was a successful trip to the Rock and Gem show in Tucson. We got a goodie bag full of stuff for TK and I.
Mostly me.
Yep. And then we'll show you guys what we got once we get back to the house. All right, here's our haul from the Rock and Gem show in Tucson.
This is what Earl picked out for a while, though we may be replacing it. We might put this somewhere else. We need to find a...
There's a chakra dream catcher.
That was really pretty.
Yeah.
Definitely has to be too high for Link to get at it.
Yeah, because look at all the feathers on it. That'll drive Link absolutely crazy.
We needed something to put on the wall because we had our Obi-Wan puzzle over there, and it kind of started coming off and got crunched in the slide.
So now we have something to put back up there.
Here's my stuff. Here's the first one. Ooh, it smells all incensey.
What is it?
It's a jacket. I was looking for another zip-up jacket, and this is so me. Look at all the color. I'll put it on probably for live or something. And I got some crazy pants.
She loves her crazy
I think
pants.
these are going to be too warm. It's really hot today, but I will put these on at some point. Those were my favorite. But then I also saw a skirt. It took me forever to decide to get this skirt. I don't know how it's going to look on me, but it's super cute. I walk by this stuff all the time and I never get it, and I splurged today. I splurged it. Then, oh, I got some mugwort tea.
It's tea.
I'm pretty sure it is tea. See, I'm pretty sure someone had recommended this in one of the classes I was taking because it's supposed to help with dreams. It says good for promoting dreams. I think it's supposed to be good for lucid dreams. So we're gonna make some things happen when we sleep.
All right.
And I got my turtle.
She got her turtle.
Look at how cute it is.
Quest is complete.
It's so cute.
Show the shell. There you go.
I have to be very careful. I will wrap this up really good. It is so pretty. And I super love black licorice, and this was smelling so good. Earl said we should just leave this in the car because it smells so good.
Yeah, star anise.
We'll figure out what to do with that.
Smells so good.
Alright, this is the last one.
We've been wanting to get an alien for the RV, and we got ourselves a little alien guy.
Girl.
Girl. Yep. Yeah, it's a girl.
Most likely.
Yep. She got boobies. Well, we'll find a spot to put her. Just have her sit on maybe we'll get like a little chair. And have like a little chair or something. And sit in the chair. I don't know.
I still want her to knock off. Could she break?
She's made of aluminum, I guess.
It doesn't seem like she's made of aluminum. That's so weird.
Yeah. So
maybe it's compressed aluminum.
Yeah. So there we go.
There's our haul. We might go back because there's
a lot of really cool stuff.
Something that he was thinking of before, and yeah.
Lots of fossils. Might get myself some more fossils. We'll see. Plus, I have family members who want some stuff too, so we're gonna have to get some stuff for them. So we will do that in a later video when we decide to head back out there. Thanks, everybody. Bye.